Hi y'all! Today we're going to be making a Frito pie. For this we got some Fritos, we got a pound of ground beef, we got some cheddar cheese, some cayenne, some onion powder, some olives, and we got 2 cans of beans. I'm using black beans and some red kidney beans. You can use your favorite, and a tomato. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so into a cold skillet, we're going to take our pound of ground beef. We're going to put this on a medium-high heat. And the reason you want to go into a cold skillet will help it crumble a lot better. As that ground beef begins to cook, I want to add a teaspoon of cayenne. We're also going to now add in a tablespoon of onion powder. Alright, once we've browned that ground beef, go ahead, shut the heat off. We're going to add in both those cans of beans. We've also went ahead and just lightly drained them. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and move over to our counter. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, dice up our tomato real quick. Really, this is however much tomato you want. You could do more, you could do less. Then we're going to bring in our dish that we're going to bake it in. I have old Betsy here. We're going to take a 9-ounce bag of Fritos. Drop that in. Then we're going to go ahead, bring in our beans and meat. We're going to go ahead and just give this a quick toss. Take that cheddar cheese. Put a little bit on. Just a little bit. Take your tomatoes. Now we're going to take that can of olives. Went ahead and drained it. And then we're going to go ahead and cap it with more cheese. And whenever you have as much cheese as you would like on top of it, we're going to go ahead, throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until that cheese is melted. At that point, I'll bring you back. Hi y'all, after about 22 minutes, our cheese is melted. All we got left to do is go ahead and serve this up. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.